Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to set a different wallpaper on lock screen and home screen. So simply you just open your settings, scroll down, showing you to wallpaper and style. As you can see, showing you to change the wallpaper. Okay, showing you to feature, gallery, create with AI. Okay, like I'm select this, showing you to lock screen and home screen. Okay, select, press on to home screen, next. Okay, or if you want to add an image from your gallery, select, this is my home screen wallpaper. Okay, and select to another lock screen wallpaper, press on done. So as you can see, now this is my lock screen wallpaper, and this is my, so as you can see, this is my home screen wallpaper, this is my lock screen wallpaper. That's it.